Hi, welcome back. Electric taco truck from Lost Cabin. It's really hard to read the label. Sorry. It's been out in the garage for about 5 minutes. I was on the phone. It's a Gose ale brewed with sea salt, lime, lemon, and orange. Squeaks wants attention. Try not to get it everywhere because this can is dented. There we go. There you go. Guess I can show you the can too. Pretty interesting artwork. Really catches your eye. Being the summertime beer, I think it'd be pretty good. Coming up, heat, and heat sucks. Oh, that's funky. Salt, orange, and lime. Cheers. Salty and sour. A little acidic. Take a trip on the electric taco truck experience. To experience, it goes brewed with lemon, lime, orange, and sea salt. Tart, crisp, and refreshing. Yeah, I agree with all that. I'd say I'm mainly just getting sour orange with the salt and like a lime zest, kind of a oil bitterness tail end on there. I start vacation today, thank God. 9 days I'm off. Going to Florida. Looks like the beer culture up there is pretty awful. We shall see. Today's Friday, tomorrow going to Brad's, hopefully. Got a couple of Lost Cabin beers I want to take up there. Both of them are, I think, barrel aged, or one of them I know is at least barrel aged. I'll have to see. Might go live on one of the reviews. I don't know. This is like a great summertime beer. 5.2%. Good and sessionable. I'd like to go up to Lost Cabin sometime. I really would. I don't think I've ever been up near South Dakota at all. This is kind of a straightforward beer, so I'm not really talking much. It's just orange, sour tart orange, saltiness all the way through, and lime. Like I said, lime zest, oil, kind of a bitter tart on the tail end of it. I guess the lemon helps with the sourness. I don't know. But if you get this and read it and don't like it because it is what it says it is, no hope. So, good beer. I like it. For what they're saying it is, 10. For me to get it again would probably be a hell yeah. I don't know, dude. I'm kind of winging it. I just wanted a beer, and I didn't want to drink a heavy beer, so this was all I had. I didn't want to get into any of my smushies or anything, any of my fruited sours. I wanted something just simple and easy, and this is the... Thanks, Todd. Great beer. If you see this, give it 10 from me. Squeaks, you want to say bye? Say bye. You want to try the electric taco truck? This is water. Squeaks likes water. Want some? Tasty water? Yeah, tasty water. All right, we'll be seeing you.